I'll be your man, you be my woman. Cause you tell me visit you are grudging from my
highly spiritual.
Hi guys, jumping straight into today's tutorial. I am going to start off with my wig. I am putting the wig in place and then I'm going to cut the excess lace and excess hair around the ear area. So I'm patting the excess hair around the ear area and then I'm going to clip the rest. Then I'm going to use scissors to cut the excess hair out. Now if you're new to this, you need somebody to help you. Then I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Next, I'm going to use my blade or razor to cut the excess lace at the front out. Now, if you're new to this, please use scissors. But what you have to do is to cut in a jagged motion so it doesn't give you a straight line or like a sharp line. The front is laying very flat, so I wouldn't need any gel or adhesive to lay my frontal down. So I'm going to take the wig off and then start with my makeup. I'm going to set my brows using my setting powder. Next, I'm going to line the top and the under part of my brows. Then I'm going to fill in my brows. Using my spoolie, I'm going to brush and blend everything together. Next, I'm using LA Gel Concealer in the color Chestnut, and I'm going to clean my underbrows using that. I'm also going to apply the same concealer all over my lid as my base, and then I'm going to set using my setting powder. For the top part, I'm using Toast. Using a spoolie, I'm going to brush through my brows and also blend everything together. For my eye, I'm using a darker gray shade for my transition color. And you want to make sure to blend everything very well. I'm going to use this shimmery gray shade on my lid and then blend everything together again. Next I'm going to apply my eyeliner. It's still a struggle for me, but guys, I'm still learning. Next I'm going to apply my mascara, and guys, you have to be careful whilst doing this. Then I'm going to apply my lash. For my under eye, I'm going to use the same darker gray shade. Then apply my mascara. Using my primer, I'm going to prime my whole face, then proceed and apply my foundation. Next, I'm going to highlight my face using Hello Girl concealer in the color Fawn. Then I'm going to set the highlighted area using a setting powder. Personally, I like to set my whole face with a setting powder because I've got like oily skin. Taking my powder palette, I'm going to set my face. Next, I'm going to contour my face and my nose using a darker shade. Then I'm going to set my nose using a setting powder to make it look a bit sharp. Moving on to the lip, I'm going to line my lip, my upper and lower lip, with this coffee like wine color. Using the same color, I'm going to apply that all over my upper lip. With my lower lip, I'm going to use a nude color. Then I'm using my setting powder to set my lip because I want it to look matte. Next, I'm going to clean around my lip. I'm using this eyeshadow as my blush. Then I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose and then on top of my lip. Also, I'm going to highlight my tear duct. The last thing you want to do is to set your face using your setting spray. Moving on, I'm going to put the wig back on and style. I've done this in so many of my hair videos, so I'm not going to talk through. So please keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share if you find it helpful. Talk to you all later, and bye.
If I see you, then I see my daylight. If you leave me, girl, what about fair fight? I no go do you journey, yo. So baby, good down for me, yo. If I hurt you, I'm sorry, yo. Forgive me.